Yes, an air conditioner disconnect must meet the 30-inch width clearance requirement for electrical equipment. According to the 2020 National Electrical Code, Article 100 defines equipment as a general term including material, fittings, devices, appliances, fixtures, apparatus, and the like used as a part of, or in connection with, an electrical installation. Section 110.26 subsection alpha states electrical equipment shall be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner. Equipment shall be securely fastened in place and shall be accessible without removing other equipment or creating a hazard. Section 110.26 subsection Bravo 3 states where space is limited, equipment shall be permitted to be grouped in order to facilitate access to a component part of the equipment for examination, adjustment, servicing, or maintenance. Section 440.14 states disconnecting means for air conditioning and refrigerating equipment shall be located at a readily accessible location outside of the unit. Based on these code requirements, 1. An air conditioner disconnect is considered equipment per the National Electrical Code definition. 2. Equipment, including disconnects, must be accessible for servicing and maintenance. 3. Equipment must be grouped and spaced to provide the required clearance for access. The 30-inch width clearance requirement is specified in Section 110.26 subsection alpha for electrical equipment. Therefore, an air conditioner disconnect must meet this requirement to ensure proper access and safety during maintenance and servicing.